Hey, thank you for getting SEO Synd Suite. In this short video, I'll show you general principles on how all of these tools work. It's really easy. The majority of the tools work pretty much the same, but below I'll place a playlist where you can find tutorials of each of the tools separately so you could see differences. But like I said, most of them work on the same principles, so I'll give you now quick examples so you understand how easy it is to use these tools. So we have three tools now as example: YouTube, video, Vimeo, and Synd Backlink Pro for any backlink, pretty much for any link. All of these tools have three fields for keywords, pretty much for ID or a link of the property you want to rank, and for unique slot key. You click here OK, you click generate key, and you copy it and you paste it here. Video ID, YouTube ID or Vimeo ID. Let's take a look. YouTube ID is this thing right here. You can also get it, you can see it by copying this link and this FGD for something. It's pretty much, it's easier to take it from here, so you copy it, you paste it here. In the Vimeo example, ID is pretty straightforward, so you just can copy it and paste it here. And if we have a property like WordPress.com, for example, like high authority domain, but it's our link, for example, let's assume it's our link, we copy it and we go to our tool, we paste it here without the HTTPS as seen above the field. Here you can paste your keyword. Of course, it's affiliate product or item name, but you can just use this for keywords. Honestly, like before, here you can download, highlight this code and paste it here. And pretty much that's it. So let's finish this. For example, video power, let's say it's our keyword. I'm not going to run all of these tools. So you just paste, you just fill up all of these three fields and click run. It loading commands is gonna work. Before you start, you need to go to the tools and to the license and paste here your license ID and license key. And click OK. Now you need to do this only once at the first start before you start using the tool, and pretty much that's it. The software is validating campaign details. If there's something wrong, here the software will let you know. At some point you'll see on your desktop the syndication reports folder. It will appear here automatically, and this is the place where all of the tools generate reports. I have several. Let's say this is let's say we're doing this. The campaign is validated successfully. A folder will appear here automatically for this. Let's just wait for a moment. Where is it? Oh, we have it here at the bottom. Okay. And here is now generating Tumblr. It already generated bloggers. We can see, we can check an example. I can check an example. Yeah, with video power we have our video embedded and our link to the video. And the software is generating backlinks that can be found in this folder, and you can stop the software anytime you want. If you don't want the software to generate all of these, so I can stop it right now, and it stops, and I can reset, like click reset button and use another credential, like another data, and click run, and pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out to me via email, and if you have any issues at the beginning of installation, just check out the troubleshooting section below, because sometimes the Windows Defender or antivirus softwares blog these tools, because these are really less known tools. So it's natural that antivirus and software like that don't know them, and treat them as a threat, but it's all safe. If you have any issues, you can, and you cannot do this, you can always reach out to me, and I will help you via TeamViewer or whatever. So no worries, I got your back. And I forgot to mention, when the software stops working, you will see the pop-up that the syndication is complete. It's pretty much straightforward, but I wanted just to tell you about it. Thanks again for getting the tools, and I wish you a lot of success, and cheers.